gap between the knowledge an IT professional would have and a general modern office worker has closed quite a lot. So I think there's a lot more emphasis now on involving everyone in the business in new technologies that might come in place.
It's the engagement at all levels that's going to help you get a successful IT infrastructure and IT project off the ground. So it isn't just about management saying, right, we're rolling out Teams, everyone get on board, and everyone having to figure it out. And then you end up with 50 different team sites and 2 people in each one, which we've seen. It is all about a driver from the top in terms of why we are doing this, but why it's important to keep communicating every step of the way. It's a constant engagement using various different tactics.